Shell day, let's get started. I did my brow tint and my lashes. Hi. Okay, it is shell day like Serena did the other day. Oh my gosh, like I love that idea. So I have two, I think. So I broke my nail. You can't really see, like it cracked. So I'm definitely gonna get my nails done soon. I just don't know if that's gonna be like how soon. And then I do need to do my lashes and my eyebrows. So that's something we can do today as my shell day. So yeah, let's get started. I got my handy dandy headband. I know if I need to put my hair back, I will. I need to at least put my hair like that back. Honestly, I don't care too much about plucking. So last time, that's why it's been a while. Last time I tinted my brows, I did too much developer, and I think like I almost lightened it a little bit. It's a little bit more warm toned than it should have been. So I'm gonna make sure to do more of this than this for sure. So let me mix that. Okay, so yeah, that's the dye and developer. I'm going to mix it. Oh, that's like satisfying. Oh no, it's on me now. Okay, so this is when things start to look a little scary. I guess it's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna clean it up as well. I just want to make sure it gets in those hairs. I do this side. That way it truly gets on the hairs mainly, because I'm gonna wipe off most of my skin right now. And then I'll set a timer, and then we'll wait about 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Just gonna clean it up a bit so it doesn't look goopy. I ain't trying to look goopy. Okay, I'll be back in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, I'm about halfway through the time, and I'm gonna like kind of disperse this a little bit. Just take a little bit off of the front, a little. Okay, I'll be back in about like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess first, and then I'm gonna wipe off like it with water or whatever. I don't know. Maybe this will calm it down, because maybe it's just like an irritant for my skin being irritated or whatever. They're tinted. I don't know if they're still coming up orange or that's just like the redness on my skin after. Last but certainly not least, lashes. The bond first. They're starting to get tacky. That is the worst when it like gets on the waterline. That's it right there. Okay, first one's on. I'm gonna be right back. And there you have it. Shell day. Got my brows done. They look pretty good. And then I did my lashes. They may not be twins, but at least they may be sisters. I am not sure. Oh well. I don't really care. I feel nice and pretty. Thank you.